What's up and welcome back to the channel. Those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. In NFL Sunday, we cashed again. So I got 3 free plays for you today, or I believe it's 2 or 3. But we got those, so make sure you stick around to the end. But yesterday we had a great day. I was feeling pretty sick the last 2 days, so didn't make any videos. But let's go through a recap of how the weekend went. Saturday we hit a few plays. The games just weren't very good, and a lot of people missed their overs. We didn't take too many unders, so ended up having a losing day Saturday, but yesterday, Sunday, in the NFL, we bounced back and ended up having a profitable weekend overall. So can't complain there. We can hop into some of the plays and what that looked like. But the VIP pass for this weekend just dropped. Use code Henry for 70% off, and you can get signed up over there. We already have a bunch of free plays that I've sent out on the Winible. That's Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. And then if you want the VIP plays, there's a bunch of them over there as well. So, recap of this weekend, we hit this 2-man on Chalkboard with Luther Burden and Dougie Hamilton. Hit this one on Chalkboard as well with Bybee and Cam Cook. Hit this 25x over on Dabble with the Washington, Iowa State trios. Hit this one on Sleeper for nice little 4.95x. I believe this was a free play that I sent out in one of the videos, but hit that one over on Sleeper. Hit this 2-man over on Chalkboard with Jackson Merrill and Justin Jefferson. Hit this one with Jordan Addison and Zach Eflin. Hit this 2-man with Alan Lazard and Jackson Churio. Then hit this one. This is part of their 6-pack discounts. So we hit the Will Howard with Nico Collins for a nice little 2.7x payout. Hit this 25x with Chicago and Jacksonville over on Dabble. Hit this 5x with unders with Buffalo and Carolina for a nice 5x payout there. Sorry, guys, I'm still a little sick, but those were some of the free plays and winners. And then last night we had this Dak Prescott and Justin Fields winner. This Jordan Love, Geno Smith, Brock Purdy winner as well for some nice payouts there. But like I said, those are some of the free play winners. We ended up cashing 11 units last night. So I ended up having a profitable week overall on VIP. So I can't complain there. That's our 3rd week in a row where we've been profitable. So if you guys aren't profitable on your own, make sure you take advantage of VIP. It's $100 for the week pass. That's going to get you all the VIP plays starting today through Sunday. So you're going to have plays for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, night football, and then we're going to have some for Friday for college football, Saturday college football, Sunday NFL. So make sure to take advantage of all that. It's $100 to get signed up over there. And if you use the code Henry, the first 10 people are going to get 70% off of that. So $30 for the weekend pass, and you're going to make that back this weekend. Hopefully before the weekend even starts, you'll be in the green, and then it's just pure profit from there. So go ahead and go over to the Winible, Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Get signed up, and let's go profit over there. So what we're doing is we're going over on BETR today. I have 2 free plays over there for you. You can place $10 on each of these. If you want to place more, you just don't take the discounted prop here, and you can place more money. But since both of these have a discounted prop in them, the max lineup you can put is $10 on these. Now, if you guys are new to BETR, it's Jake Paul's app. Go ahead and use the code 907 Fantasy over there, and they're going to match your deposit up to $200. Plus, they'll give you a free pick as well until you win. So make sure to take advantage of that, because that's $200 of completely free money to go and play with. So once you go ahead, even if you deposit $10, you'll get $20 to play with, and you can put $10 on each of these plays to go and play with, and then you can turn those $20 into $100 this tonight. So the first one we're going with is Patrick Mahomes over 14.5 rushing yards. That's the discounted prop today. Then we're going Chris Olave over 59.5 receiving yards. And then Travis Kelce. With Rashee Rice and Pacheco out, Travis Kelce's really going to have to step up. He stepped up last game, and I expect that to continue with both of their two other playmakers out. Travis Kelce is going to have to step into that role. So we're taking Travis Kelce over 58.5 receiving yards. And then Xavier Worthy. I love this play as well. He's the deep threat for them. I can easily see him catching 1 or 2 long bombs and easily going over this line. So taking him over 42.5 receiving yards. Now we are doing a dynamic play on this one, which is similar to like PrizePicks flex play, but it's a 1.5x payout if we hit 3, and then it's a 5x payout if we hit 4. You can either do that, or you can just go straight power play, or I don't even remember what it's called on BETR, but that will give you a 10x payout, I believe. So that will turn 10 into 100, or if you want to do the dynamic play here like I'm doing, $10 into $50. So that's the first one. Second one is they discounted Aaron Judge to get 1 base tonight. If he gets 1 base, then we catch that play. And we're going more on the New Orleans side here. We're going Derek Carr over 212 passing yards. Then we're going Alvin Kamara over 66.5 rushing yards. And then Patrick Mahomes to throw 2 touchdown passes. So once again, $10 into 50 or $10 into 15 if we hit 3 of them. So as long as we hit 3, we profit on these. So can't complain. Profit is profit. We'll take the wins any way we can get them on these apps. So make sure, if you're going to be telling me on these, let me know down in the comments below. But those are the 2 free plays for today. And if you guys want more free plays, I've sent out some more over here on the Winible, Winible.com/907fantasysports. That's going to get you some more free plays to go and play with over there. And then you can go ahead and get on the Winible as well. So if you guys want all that, it's going to be VIP's pass. Once again, it's only for the first 10 people that it's 70% off. So if you guys want to win this weekend, go ahead and get signed up, because we're going to be profiting all weekend long, or all week long, and then all weekend long as well. So good luck with all of your plays today. If you're going to be telling me on any of these, let me know down in the comments below. Let's ride with these. Let's go make some money tonight and have a good time watching some Monday Night Football between the Chiefs and the Saints. So good luck. Hopefully I get feeling better, a little bit better, and I'll make some more videos for you guys. But good luck with all of your plays. Let's go cash, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.